YouTube, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Yanni back at you with another video, guys. Today the video is going to be a little bit different. So today I went out to the city of Camden as part of a non-profit community day, also fundraiser that they were having out there to help the city rebuild. You know, the city of Camden, New Jersey has been hit with addiction and a bunch of other heartbreaking situations and really have given the city a bad reputation, you know, but there are good people out there, there are kids out there, and you know, we're just here to help. I just want to give a big shout out to King's Crusade. King's Crusade is a non-profit organization that helps addicts like myself, recovering addicts, you know, have another chance when they feel like no one else is there for them. You know, they help with things like getting people straight to treatment and a bunch of other recovery based assets that are there for us addicts. That it's just amazing to have people like this around. So shout out to King's Crusade. They were the ones that asked me to come out today and, you know, give haircuts, and there were a bunch of kids, so why not give free haircuts to the kids, you know? They were giving out face paints, you know, food. They had moon bounces, music. They were giving out COVID vaccines. It was just an amazing day, and thanks to my team I was able to get some footage of today for you guys, and also of myself giving these kids haircuts. It was just an amazing day. I very much enjoyed it. Very humbling experience. I just love how much a haircut can change someone's whole life, their whole demeanor, and just how they feel about themselves. And then to do it for a kid, it just makes it all 10 times better. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, I've worked very hard on it, and it's just something a little bit different than the barber tutorials. Also, speaking on barber tutorials, I do want you guys to get to know the man behind the camera. So in the next coming videos I will be doing more of a vlogging style, so you guys can get to know me. I don't have to tell you who I am. Within time you will see exactly who I am, and I hope you guys will follow, support my movement and everything that I am doing. You know, this is my passion. God bless my hands with this skill, and I give it back to others. So guys, let's not waste no more time. Let's jump right into it. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, comment on the video, show your boy some love. Let's get right into it.